May in Louisville is abysmal. Yes, the Derby's fun. Yes, graduating is great, but there is so much heat downtown and there's so much pollen, I can barely breathe. And it's not just me who thinks this. It's yet another failing grade for Jefferson County. This time, our air quality. The American Lung Association found that residents breathe in an average of 8 days of unhealthy air a year. And according to WDRB, we hit another record hot temperature last year, a scorching 112 in August. That brought me to the Trager Microforest, where I talked to lead researcher Sean Willis about what exactly this 2/3 acre plot of land is meant for. All these gorgeous trees and shrubs, why here? How do you make a forest, something typically big, into a micro, something small?
The American Lung Association, they gave us an F on our report card of air quality here.
Yeah, that tracks.
Okay. Okay.
It's just a really good location. I mean, we're right on the 4 bus line, which is the second most used bus line in the city. There's not really other places downtown that you can do something like this easily. There's lots of paved surfaces downtown, which would be great, like parking lots to convert into green spaces, but then you have to, buy it out. That's going to be maybe a few $1,000,000. You have to depave it, resettle the soil, all this stuff to make the lot suitable for planting, and that increases the costs a lot. So this kind of was just like the perfect storm of low cost, but a high effect intervention.
They're replicating what's called the Miyawaki method, planting young trees in a very dense area to compete for sunlight and growth. Sean explained to me they were very intentional in not just the design, but even the types of plants placed.
Especially in the central forests, we could have planted like a bunch of evergreens, especially because like the research shows they're really effective at cooling the air around them because they have so much leaf area. But then that creates like a visual barrier. You can't see through the middle portion. We didn't want to make the middle completely inaccessible because that's hostile architecture, but we wanted it to be clear you're not supposed to go in the main forest because that's like the primary research area. So we have like signage and we have like those metal wall fins on the backside that like don't physically stop you from going in, but it's kind of like makes it very clear you're not supposed to go into the research space itself.
At the unveiling, Mayor Craig Greenberg and members of U of L's Environment Institute detailed how, with the help of a couple monitors and a central station called the Campbell, they're going to begin studying the ways in which the forest impacts the surrounding climate and residents' health. If you want to learn more, you can subscribe to my Substack or maybe follow this page where you'll learn my hottest Kentucky takes, like the fact that I think